Hello everybody, welcome to Tuesday. The market on the S&P 500 was up again today, a little bit over 0.3%. Again, this is significant because today we hit an all-time high and we keep setting all-time highs, and we can separate ourselves from the previous all-time high and give ourselves some buffer. And then pretty soon the previous all-time high becomes resistance if the price tends to fall. And so we need to create some more separation. We're not that far away. The previous all-time high set back in February was 33.93, and we're at 34.44 right now. So, not huge separation, but important nonetheless. This market continues to show some strength. It's got all the markings, as I mentioned before, for a market that seems to want to go up. We're seeing small and mid caps move. Again, those are later cycle things that happen. We're seeing bonds, at least show weakness. Again, you don't normally see that unless there's some pretty good strength in the stock market. So things are happening really well. The leadership today was quite different than yesterday. Yesterday was full of stocks that needed, a vaccine or some type of a cure to reopen properly. Today was pretty much just the opposite. The tech stocks, clean energy, the semiconductors. I think one thing that is interesting that's happening here just over the last few weeks, we're starting to see more and more international type investments pop up to the top of the list. Like I say, there's 415 on this one list here. I call this the leaderboard, kind of the first 50, who makes it each day. I think it's kind of interesting. So emerging markets and international are picking up. Software did great today. Robotics and artificial intelligence did well today. There's an index that specializes in autonomous vehicle technology, drone transportation, advanced transportation tracking, those types of things that did quite well today. Also was actually number 2 on the list. So very interesting day. Things are going the right way for us as a group, and we'll just see what happens tomorrow, and hopefully we can continue to set some separation here. Look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Thank you.